When I big chopped my hair got coilier and it got fluffier and it also increased in size and its volume. This was my before look, and after that, this was my aftermath look. What's up, my beautiful people? Thank you for stopping by, or if you're new here, thank you for coming. And on this channel, I do more of DIY, homemade natural hair growth recipes, and skincare beauty using your ingredients in your kitchen. Just basically the tips and tricks you need to get that massive hair growth and smooth skin. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you how to make onion oil if it's something that you've not known before. You are having a nice time here, you would enjoy this recipe, and I promise you is a to-go way of learning how to grow out your hair and make it longer in size, of which you would admire. If that's what you want, please stay tuned. Onion is a magical plant. This vegetable is not only great for your overall body health but also can work well for your hair. In this video, you shall be learning how to use onion for hair growth, and you will explore all the awesome benefits of onions. Onions help to prevent hair loss and breakage. First of all, light on your gas. Then add few drops of olive oil, or you can as well use coconut oil or lavender oil. Whichever oil that you have that is suitable for you, you can make use of it. Then add shea butter to it. I added 1 teaspoon of shea butter to it. Then I had to stir it properly in order to be liquid. I also added my onion to it. Now it's time to transfer it to a clean container. After this, I applied little cream to it. Little cream. It's also shea butter, but this one it's whitish in color. Then I mixed it together to make on a very clean crystal oil. You can as well do a test patch of the oil to know if it's suitable to be applied to avoid allergies. To its application, apply the oil gently and judiciously into your scalp. Make sure it penetrates deeply. You can also add another oil to it, like to help the hair get boosted and increase the volume of your hair massively. You can see the way I'm trying to rub my fingers into my scalp to make sure it penetrates deeply. I applied another oil to it in order to sit well inside my hair. And this is me trying to make sure I get the oil shining into my scalp. Yeah, my hair never remained the same. It actually got longer. You can see the size of my hair right now. Like, I'm even surprised at the result. It gave me that instant increase I was looking for. You can see my hair got fuller. Honestly, I would love to give this a try again. So I just decided to go on with packing my hair for the day to make it look beautiful, even while the hair gets into it, to like help it to sit well into my hair. So I just packed it and decided to like look this beautiful, you know. Can't stop gushing and looking at my hair. Bye.